Hi there, YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is FX GK Millionaire, and on today's video, guys, we're gonna take a look at what is the best time to trade the NAS100 and how to read the overall market structure and market condition. So, guys, first, I want you guys to take notes while I'm going through this video because why I have more than 3 years experience of trading the financial markets right now, guys. So with no further ado, let's jump into this video. So I'm gonna start off. Where's my pencil tool? Let me just add it here. This is a new browser. Okay, so I'm gonna start from this side, guys. I hope you guys can see this side, right? So this was last year. As you guys can see, there was the 7th October 2021, right? We can see we did create this higher point right here, and we did violate in this previous high structure to put in this new higher high. So then we could have seen that price was basically just ranging, right? So what this range, we basically got this significant breakout, and we have also a change of characteristics, as you guys can see there, right? With this impulsive move here to the downside, price retrace back, create this double top, that this the lower high point from here, respect it, and then continue all the way to the downside, right? So now you guys could see that we have this lower high point and this lower low point right here. We did violate in this previous structure. There we did basically come for this liquidity grab just right here. We did take liquidity, form this double top, and run all the way to the downside right here. So now you guys could see that the moment when we starting to break this previous higher low point, right, from this lower low point, the market basically starting to melt to the downside. So we could say, and we could look at the overall market structure and condition, that the NAS100 is bearish on our daily time frame perspective. I'm not gonna scale up to my weekly or monthly time frame. I'm only gonna show you guys this small nuggets. So now what I could mark is this, is that this is my lower high point and this is my lower low point. This is where NAS100 is basically trading. This is my seller's range, guys. This is one seller's range point for me, right? So but you guys could take advantage of the counter trends, right, for potential buys. So one thing that I'm also waiting for now, guys, is the counter trend buys on the NAS100. I know the NAS100 is in an overall bearish market condition on our daily time frame, but there's still a high probability now to take counter trends to the upside, right? So we could see that on our daily time frame, we did form this double bottom, as you guys could see there. This is also our resistance point right here, right? If I can see NAS100 break out of this area, giving us this retracement, there's going to be a high probability that we can come and take out this liquidity that is laying there for further downwards move right there. So guys, let's look into our 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame. As you guys noticed by now, I'm a market structure trader. I always look at market structure first. 4-hour, this is our lower high point that violating this previous structure lows, that creating this lower low. Here we can see we have this corrective phase. We formed this double top, price break on the structure. There was a beautiful entry, and price continued to the downside, right? So now we can see that on a 4-hour time frame we bearish, daily time frame we bearish. So now this is going to be the area, guys, that I most likely would love to see price would break on the NAS100, and is this area here at 13148. If NAS100 can close above this area, guys, we could take advantage of this range right here. We can take advantage of this buy range to the upside. One thing that we can also notice is that we have this clean range right here. We have liquidity that is laying above here. So if price can close above this reason right here, guys, I will most likely jump in for counter trend buys to take the NAS100 to the upside. So let's look on our, let's scale down to our 1-hour time frame. So on our on our 1-hour time frame, guys, we can see that previously is that price did create this double top, and then create a double bottom. There we have a strong breakout of this structure and price coming and retesting this area of support. One thing that I also can notice is that we basically starting to creating a squeezing formation, right? A squeezing formation is most likely a sign that price has a probability to break out of structure. So this is what I will look out for now. If I can get a 1 hour break above this region and on my small hour time frame, like my 5 minute or 3 minute, guys, for where I get a 1 hour candle close, then I will scale down to my 5 minute or 3 minute, wait for price to retrace back, and then I'll take advantage of this buys to the upside. Because why? I know on my bigger time frames we have liquidity that is laying up here. We have a clean range to the left hand side, guys. So this moves will be really fast to the upside, because as you guys can see here, we don't have any traffic. The same as we can expect, price will continue to the upside on this region here, guys. So the other scenario that we can look at as well, guys, is that if price now decided to come and break under this area of support that price was creating yesterday, you guys could see that price basically come tap into this area multiple times. But if price decided to come down, take out this liquidity right there, so you guys can see we have equal lows there as well. So if price can do that and scoop up and give us another back and give us another close back into this range and giving us another retest on it, then guys, I will try to take a buy position here again, because right now I know this was only one form of a liquidity grab for us for taking price all the way to the upside. And the other scenarios that I can most likely look out for, guys, if price stay under this support, right, and then respect it as an area of resistance, then we can expect the NASDAQ 100 to continue all the way to the downside, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy and understand this video, guys, and I hope you guys will get this video in time. I will upload it right now, guys. You hear it first here at Newton FX Academy and FX GK Millionaire, guys. So thanks for watching.